This might be one of the biggest OpenClaude updates yet. OpenClaude version 0.11 now comes with built-in access to Xiaomi MiMo version 2.5 through OpenGateway, meaning you can start coding with a powerful AI model in minutes. No API configuration, no sign up, and you can start coding immediately. In this video, I'll show you the complete setup from scratch, installing OpenClaude, enabling MiMo version 2.5, and testing it live. Let's jump into it. So to use this, first of all, we need OpenClaude to be installed. So for that, let's search OpenClaude on Chrome browser, and you will see the first repository. Open that. This is the OpenClaude repository. As you can see, total 25.8, 26.8k stars, 8.5k fork. And as you can see, just come here down, you will see the history of stars. These are the sponsors: GitLab, Banker, and Atomic Chart. And these are the history of stars and the installation guide. This is the installation guide. To install it, simply copy this command and then open an empty folder. So wherever you want, so right click and open in terminal. I mean open terminal. And after opening the terminal, simply right click to paste that command here and press enter to install OpenClaude on your machine. So I have already installed it. After installing this, to access OpenClaude, further simply write OpenClaude, this command. The interface of OpenClaude is same to the Claude code. It is same to that, the structure and the hierarchy. Everything is like, if you will think like I am using Claude code. So this is the user interface of OpenClaude. As you can see, right now the MiMo version 2.5 is already selected because I configured that. So to configure it further, simply write this command /provider and press enter. After coming to the provider, you will see a list of 5 options. The first one is to add a provider. Second one is to set active provider, edit and delete provider, and done. So we will select the first one, add a provider. Then you will see the first one, which is GitLab OpenGateway. This is from them and it is free. As you can see the free flag, it is free. Simply select this first one. After that, you will see the model, the default model, which is MiMo version 2.5 Pro. So select that. So it will select now that and done it. So you will see after that the GitLab MiMo version 2.5 Pro. If you didn't see the update instantly, so relaunch the OpenClaude, then you will see here the new updates of MiMo version 2.5 Pro. So now let's start chat with this. Hello. Look at, hi, how can I help you today? Which AI model is this? You are currently using MiMo version 2.5 Pro. So look at, this is the model. So use this model and take benefit from this opportunity, as it is for free that you can use by OpenClaude. So don't miss it. It is a very strong and powerful model. As you can see, let's come here to the benchmark. So look at, it is the comparison of this version 2.5 Pro with the Claude Opus 4.6 and Gemini 3.1 and GPT 5.4. Look at, you can see SWE Bench Pro. This is 57 and the Anthropic Opus 4.6 is 57 also, and the GPT 5.4 is 57. And also here you can see the comparison with these top tier models. It was all about this to access MiMo version 2.5 Pro. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment if you have any issue. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this related to free AI coding. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.